Hello folks, a quick review and compare with two models impact drivers from DeWalt. This is the DCF809 and this is the classic one, DCF887. Now I would say the three pros for the DCF809 is, first one is the torque. Torque is 190 Newton meters. Second pro will be the price. Price is around $70 on Amazon US and 60 euros in Europe. And the third pro will be the brushless motor. I think this is the three pros that you can see in 809. Yeah, obviously you have an LED light in here. This is the new generation of LED light. For example, compared to the old one, the 887, sorry. And this one is, you see, it had more like yellow light, and this one is more white. I don't know if you can see on your screen. Now this is the 809, the classical one, the DCF887. I think it's the most popular model on the market, the impact driver. This is the 205 Newton meters. You have also the brushless motor. And obviously the big advantage of 887 is that you can change your level of torque. The first one is a 90 Newton meters, then you have 140, and this is the 205 Newton meters. This is the max on the third gear. And obviously you have a LED light, as I told you. Now the price is, the 809 is around $70 US on Amazon, and the 60 euros in Europe. The 887, I think you can add at least $10 or $15 to this model. So the two, I think, big difference between those two models is that on the superior model you can change the level of your torque, and obviously you have like 15 plus torque. And the minimum, the 809 that you can buy for the price, I think this is the advantage for 809. Other than that, you can see those are the two similar models. There's not so much you can see the difference between. Even the shape are the same, the size. The weight is here is 1 kilo, and the 809 is less with the 50 grams, so it's 950 grams. Other than that, I would say that 809 would be for your home DIY projects. If you don't need something huge, I don't know, or even expensive, $15 does matter for you. And for the classical one, the 887, I would say it's more professional tool. You can use it day by day on your work. Obviously, if you talk about the battery, which is quite important for you, if you're using for your home, you can use it like 2 amps, 1.5, like here. This is a 1.5 amp battery capacity. And you can use obviously with any bit that you can find on your market. Yeah, so you can use it 2 amps, and it's quite powerful with 2 amps. Now, if you want to use something for your car from your lug nuts, I would recommend going for the 5 amps battery. 5 amps, which is obviously is much more expensive, but you can get the maximum torque with the higher capacity amperage for the battery, which is the 5 amps battery. Obviously, it's much more expensive, but on the other hand, you can receive the maximum torque that you can get. So yeah, as you can see, even from this view, those are the similar models. There is not so much difference other than the price, like $15, and the torque. Here you have 205, here you have 190 Newton meters. And obviously 887 has the option to choose the level of your torque, which I think this is the pro, and obviously the advantages. And as I said before, if you need something, a cheap tool and a professional one, which is a worldwide brand DeWalt, I would go for their 809. I think this is my choice. if you're doing some day-by-day work and you're a professional, obviously 887 is the classical one. I think this is the most popular impact driver from DeWalt. It has been on sale from 2012, like 12 years. So it's quite impressive. And yeah, that's all. Please comment which model would you go for and what's your experience with them. Thanks guys, cheers.